Okay, Mangoes, now for this activity, we're going to learn how to do pattern. You know what a pattern is? Where you have two pictures and you're going to have to do the same, one after another. Here we have a circle, yellow circle, green circle, yellow circle, green circle. What is next? A green circle. You see? Here in this picture, I color my circle green. Yes? And the next pattern we have red square, blue square, red square, blue square. What is next? We need to color a red square. Then we need to color a blue square. Can you see? Yes? Okay, now you're going to do the same on your book Learning Journey, page 127. You're going to do triangle, blue triangle, green, blue, blue, green, blue, blue. What is next? Green triangle. Okay, get to work and see you in a little bit. You're doing a great job. Bye-bye.